All right, Tim, take a look at the Victoper LED Tactical Flashlight 2-pack. So it does come with 6 AAA batteries, so that's nice. We got our flashlight. That is zoomable, so that's important. And we got 2 of them. So these are cool. So what this is you can use the 3 AAA batteries, or you can use this, and you can put an 18650 rechargeable battery in it, and that will allow it to fit in there without rattling around. So here's the flashlight. We got good sounding button, so that's good. It's a nice clicky button. It does come with a tether. I usually take those off because I have a tendency to get them very dirty. But inside we've got our battery pack holder. All right, there we go. Wow, that is a very nice bright light. So I do like that it has this zoom function, so you can have it like that, or you can pull it out, and you got more of a spotlight. Now I really like seeing that because what that means for me is if you can spot on a specific point, it makes it much easier to see. So that's good for me. If I'm trying to look at like oil levels on machinery or anything like that, zooming that out really makes it a lot easier. If I just want to see everything, I can zoom that in and I can see everything. So one thing that I see with a lot of these style of flashlights is that if you press it a couple times, you get a couple different modes, right? Yeah, so we got our flashing, we got our high, medium, low, and we got our SOS. Now what I'm curious about is if I leave it here, the next step should be the flash. I'm going to give it a minute. I'm going to see if it has a memory, because if it does, that means the next time I turn it on, it's going to be flashing. So let's set it down for a minute. Then we can look at this one. Now, I don't have an 18650 battery, but we can at least see exactly how this goes in. So it goes in just like that. Then you just drop in your 18650, screw this on, and I do see an O-ring right there. So that's going to help to seal it, so even if it rains or if you get a little water on it, it's not going to be that big of a deal. Got a good looking LED in there. All right, so let's come back to this one and see if it's flashing. No, it doesn't. That makes this my favorite new light. Because so many times I've picked up ones that have that memory on them, and then I go to turn the light on and then it's just flashing in my eyes, and it really annoys me. I hate that. And everybody around me hates it because they're like, you know, they'll be working on something, all of a sudden they got a flashing strobe light behind them. It's not good for anybody. So this one actually goes back to high if you haven't used it in a long time. That's a very big deal to me. This is a fantastic light. So without a doubt, these are my new favorite lights.